today. That's right, this bad boy. Come on over, let's open it up. I love my new saw, but it needs an upgrade. So I'm really excited to introduce you guys to my new saw. This is the Delta Cruzer. It is the 12-inch model, which I'm pretty happy about. It's got these awesome robot arms that are so smooth. It's like butter. This saw is fantastic. A couple of features on this saw that are really very helpful. On your miter adjustments, you've got detents that'll put you into the more common adjustments that you're going to use, like 45 for instance. So as you go, it'll kind of click you into place on that, which is super nice. If you want to use one of the other adjustments that aren't on the detent, you have this little button on the side, you click it in, it holds this blue button down for you, and then you can choose whatever adjustment you would like. You stop where you want to stop, push that button again, and hit the lock knob, and you're there. It's really super simple, very easy, one-handed operation. The next feature that I am pretty excited about is the bevel arm feature. It's so smooth. So you have to lift this lever up first. You release the bevel adjustment there, and then you can move it back and forth. It's pretty smooth, pretty simple. Again, a one-handed operation, which I love. And this one also has the custom detents that you can use. You put this lever back, and then it'll just stop you right at those specific 0, 15, 30, and 45. It can go either way on the bevel, which is also really nice. And then when you're done, you lock it in, and it's not going anywhere. It's going to stay right where you want. There's also a feature where you can lock the saw down so that the blade is in the lock position if you need to carry it or transport it somewhere. Another feature back here is you have a little switch that you can push down, and it'll lock the arms in place so they can't extend. There's two positions, a baseboard position and a standard position. So that is well helpful. One of the other features that a lot of people don't talk about is on your arms here, your fence. You can take those off, and you have this little tab here. You just push it out. It lines up with the back of the new fence here, and that gives you a couple extra inches. I believe it's somewhere around 17 for the full length that you can cut at that point. So that's also really, really nice to have. If you have a small piece of plywood or something you don't want to use your full handles off for, you can always just use that for this as well. And the last feature, which I really like, I'm gonna have to bring you a little closer to get to. So the next feature, this is one of my favorites that I am really looking forward to using, is a shadow line. Either LED lights up inside underneath the blade, and they cast a shadow on the blade so that as you come down, it puts a shadow on your board. No more laser line, no more adjustments. It is perfect. So there's a switch on the top. You switch it on, and as you bring your blade down, you can see this fantastic shadow line. It is literally exactly where you want to cut. So no more guessing. My last saw was definitely not a great one, so this is a huge improvement. and I am very excited to use that. That is a brief overview of the Delta Cruzer 12-inch miter saw. If you have any questions, you can send those my way, and I hope you enjoy.